Hey guys, good afternoon. I actually wanted to show you the dishwasher that I have. It's a Whirlpool. It actually came with my house, so I did not pick it out. However, I am pretty happy with it. I'm not sure of the exact model, but again, it is a Whirlpool. It's very simple. It's nothing special. It's just kind of like your standard dishwasher. Fits in perfectly, not too big, not too small. Just a regular size dishwasher, but fits in perfectly with the cabinets and next to the oven and everything. So this came with the house, like I said, and the first thing I did was I tested it out with just like a normal load of dishes, and it worked out really well. And then I actually found it safe enough. I've never washed my grandmother's china before that she left me, and I was a little bit nervous, but I'm like, you know what? They were like not used for years and years. They were just on display. I needed to clean them, and I put them in this dishwasher and they came out absolutely perfect. Not a scratch on any of them. Not that your dishes should ever get scratched in the dishwasher, but I again was a little nervous because I had never put them in the dishwasher before. They were always hand cleaned and all that, so I was like, you know what, they really need a good wash. So I put in the whole set. They came out super clean, and ever since then I'm like, all right, I'm really happy with this dishwasher. So it's very simple to use. There's the buttons on here. Tells you the status. It's quiet. I mean, you could hear it, so I'm not going to say it's like silent, but it is a pretty quiet dishwasher. So it has like different cycles. I usually just use the normal cycle, so that's kind of what I have it like set on. So basically, like when I'm ready to start a load, all I do is I hit start, and I just make sure that I make sure that like all these lights go on, so it's a high temperature wash, sanitized and heated dry, because I just make sure so like these lights will all go on when I hit start, just to make sure like that all that gets done. I want to make sure all the dishes are cleaned on a high temperature wash, sanitized and heated dry. And then it updates you with the status, so it'll tell you when it's washing, when it's drying, when it's clean, and when everything is sanitized. So it tells you the status, and they'll be lit up in green. Super easy. So also you could choose the cycle. I always just have mine on normal unless like I want rinse only, but I really don't ever use that for anything. So pots and pans, normal, light, rinse only. I'm really bad. I probably am not the best example of how to properly load your dishes, because I will just put like everything in together, like you'll see right now. So it's not quite full all the way, so it's not ready to be washed, but I do stick my pots and pans in with the regular dishes, which I know you're not supposed to. Like, you're either supposed to hand wash them, or which I do hand wash, but I feel like sometimes they just really need a good rinse, so I just put them in the dishwasher. And I feel like I never have enough pots and pans to like fully load the dishwasher. It's just always like one or two in there, so I throw it in with the rest of my dishes. So it has the top rack, which is like not full yet. I just have like a spatula in there, wooden spoon. I've got some glasses in here, like wine glasses, mugs, and glass cups. And then you guys could see the top. So this like will spin around. This piece spins around. It kind of cleans everything. Super easy. Pull out drawers for this. Then the bottom. In the bottom, I got some pots and pans and some glass plates. This, I think this is like a plastic material, I'm not even sure. And then I got my Rachel Ray pots and pans here, pasta bowl. And okay, so I just want to show you this. This is one thing I'm really not a big fan of. So I always have like tons of spoons, forks, and knives. Like every time I feed my cat, I use like a different spoon, and they just go through really quickly. This is like the plates and everything will come out 100% clean. This is probably my fault. I tend to overfill this, and then not all the silverware will come washed, and then I'll have to like rewash it or hand wash it, which can be frustrating. That's one thing. Just, you can't refill this rack. I mean, you can't overfill this rack right here, because the dishes won't, I mean the silverware will not come clean, especially like steak knives and stuff. I feel like I have to hand wash those, because I feel like they don't really come clean like I want them to in this dishwasher. And then we have, this is like the use rinse aid for better drying. It locks. You could fill or add. I should use rinse aid, but I haven't yet. Still got to try to do that. Then we have the pre-wash and the main wash. So I've used powder detergent, but I find it easier to just like purchase like the pods. You guys know what I'm talking about. I bought these at like Costco, I think. These are the Kirkland premium dishwasher packs, but any dishwasher packs will do. Sometimes I just use one and I'll put it in the main wash, and other times I will put one in the pre-wash as well. I feel like it works the same either way, whether I have pre-wash or not. That's just me, maybe. I haven't noticed a difference between not using it and using it. So then when you're ready, you just put the pack in, close this up for the detergent. Opens and closes real easily. Just gotta pull on this like little tab right here and then locks in. You'll hear it click. And I guess this is like for the drying process. Energy Star, control lock, press and hold heated dry 5 seconds to lock control, repeat to unlock. And I find Whirlpool is a great brand. I've had in my, oh, maybe this is the model number 8573637. 5637. I've used Whirlpool products before, like I think my refrigerator right now actually is Whirlpool, and the Whirlpool refrigerator I had in my parents' house before I moved was Whirlpool, so I know that they are a good brand and everything. So yeah, that's my Whirlpool dishwasher. Simple, easy to use, easy to clean the front of as well. I really don't have anything bad to say about it, except, you know, sometimes the silverware doesn't come clean. You just gotta not overfill it, I guess. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope you have a great day.